multi speech recognition and API and accuracy real time. In the next concept, we'll explain like teammates.
Text. So after that we have to pre-processing. In pre-processing we use the start to extract what we have to want. So for that we are using Postgres to extract OpenShift and Python which we use. After that we use text cleaning which missing values and noise data will be removed here. After that extraction of extract. So we have to make a model from scratch, which we have to prepare our model to train the model. So for that we use BI system. BI system is a binary instruction with long and short term memory. So after that we have to use CRM. CRM with conditional diagnosis. In this level we will be taking output labels and predicting data. So after that we have model selection. In that model selection we use OCR or BI understanding layer. After model selection we have evaluation. Evaluation means using invoice processing reduce the verify formatting layer and layer. After that numeric values of amount, transaction IDs and vendor names and taxes and total. After that output will be stored in Excel or JSON files. We have extracted from this and we store the data in Excel or JSON files. Model extraction means evaluation of the output. Estimate score or score after that deployment of such we have to read the OCR. After that we try to build extraction. After that generation. After that output next will be extracted. Validation and clean. Now the compute the structured output CSVR DBJS square expected answer. When the user uploads their invoice, the system triggers OCR to extract non-test process into an NLP based extraction pipeline diagram. Extracted diagram and finally the structured output. So now the conclusion is the project aims to develop a functional invoice processing agent capable of automatically extracting and organizing invoice details by accuracy by combining OCR, NLP and ML. The system will eliminate need for manual data entry, reduce processing time and ensure improved efficiency in final output. This solution is scalable and can be extended to handle multiple language invoices. Advanced analytics and